Hey, Washington State history students. Okay, so going into next week, again, it's week 5, but really unit 4. It's at Washington Territory 1. Now, instead of doing a presentation, it's pretty lengthy and so forth, on a particular city in Washington, here's what we're going to do. I have an alternative assignment. We're going to learn a little bit more just about different cities, okay, in Washington, like when was it, why was the town first settled, when did the settlers start arriving, and then what attracted people to move there. And then there's a couple questions up top we'll answer before we do the chart. And then you also have an extra credit question where we're starting to get into kind of the bulk of this class is the industries that they had. And when I say they had, those in Washington, which made Washington what it is today, really, although some of those industries aren't really going that strong nowadays. Now, remember, and I know I've said this over and over, and I apologize for going over it again. Remember, the course schedule does not come up. I've uploaded it 3 or 4 times. It does not come up. But remember, it is in the announcements. Okay? Right when you log in my class, you'll see course schedule. You just double-click, it's right there. It's also in doc sharing. Now, it seems to me that everyone should really know where doc sharing is by now. And I say that just because we're in week 4 and I've been sending out alternative assignments every week, and I think people would chuckle and say, duh, Mr. Brown, I know because you have been sending these out. But remember, it's right next to the Dropbox up there. Click it. And all the documents that I share with you, so the alternative assignments, and the course schedule is there too. So the course schedule, although you can't open the one icon, it's in those other 2 places and you can't miss it. I mean, probably the best place to put it is in the announcements, and it's right there. Okay, I'll see you guys next week.